Chocolate chip cookies. Ingredients: 2/3 cup light brown sugar, packed. 2/3 cup granulated sugar. 8 tablespoons unsalted butter. 1/2 cup vegetable shortening. 3/4 teaspoon salt. Use 1/2 teaspoon salt if you use salted butter. 2 teaspoons King Arthur pure vanilla extract. 1/4 teaspoon almond extract, optional. 1 teaspoon cider vinegar or white vinegar. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 large egg. 2 cups King Arthur unbleached all-purpose flour. 2 cups semisweet chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease or line with parchment 2 baking sheets. In a large bowl, combine the sugars, butter, shortening, salt, vanilla and almond extracts, vinegar, and baking soda, beating until smooth and creamy. Beat in the egg, again beating until smooth. Scrape the bottom and sides of the bowl with a spatula to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. Mix in the flour, then the chips. Use a spoon or a tablespoon cookie scoop to scoop 1 1/4 balls of dough onto the prepared baking sheets, leaving 2 between them on all sides. They'll spread. For enticing salty sweet flavor, sprinkle a touch of sea salt atop the cookies before putting them in the oven, if desired. Bake the cookies for 11 to 12 minutes, until their edges are chestnut brown and their tops are light golden brown, almost blonde. Remove the cookies from the oven and cool on the pan until they've set enough to move without breaking. Repeat with the remaining dough. Store cookies, well wrapped, at room temperature for up to 5 days. Freeze for longer storage.